Wow, aren't these beautiful? Do you know the parts of a plant? The parts of a plant, the parts of a plant. Do you know the parts of a plant? We're going to learn about it today. Do you know the parts of a plant? The parts of a plant, the parts of a plant. Do you know the parts of a plant? Let's find out. All right. Now, boys and girls, we are going to talk about the parts of a plant. Here we have a plant, here's another plant, and another plant. So, a plant is made up of many different parts. You have the roots, the stem, the leaf, the flower, the fruit, and seeds. But today we're going to talk about the root, the stem, the leaves, and the flower. All right. So each part of the plant, each part has a special job to do to keep the plant healthy. Yes, ma'am, the plant must be healthy. Very good. The roots absorb, it takes up water from the soil and minerals, and it takes it up to the stem. Yes, and the stem takes the water and the minerals right up to the leaves. Yes, and the leaves now, it collects the energy from the sun and make food for the plant using an amazing process. So the plant is very important, right? Yes. All right, now we're going to label the parts of the plant. Let's go. Roots, stem, leaves, and the flower. So on this plant, we have the roots, the stem, this long part here, the leaves, and the flowers. Can you see that? Flowers, yes. And the leaves. And we have the stem, the long part. And we have the roots. So the stem holds up the plant. Yes. All right, now we are going to use some words to label the parts of the plant. Now our first word is stem. Stem. Now we are going to go on the chart and find the stem. Oh, there you are. Oh, there you are. That is the stem. Now we're going to find the leaf. Ready to find the leaf? Yes. I'm searching for the leaf. And here it is. I label the leaf. Our next word is roots. Look at that word. Let us find the roots. Here it is, all the way down here, the roots. Now we're going to find the flower. Ready? Here it is. And we label it. Now you have seeds and fruit, but we're just going to talk about these four for today. The flower, the leaf, the stem, and the roots. Yes. Are we ready to go again? Let us go. Here we have the flower, the leaves. Yes, and you can go outside and pick some leaf. So we call it the leaf. The stem, the long part here is called the stem. And we have the roots in the soil. And those make up the parts of the plant. Yes. Do you know the parts of the plant? The parts of the plant, the parts of the plant. Do you know the parts of the plant? Oh yes, we know the parts of the plant. Flower, leaf, stem and roots. Flower, leaf, stem and roots. Flower, leaf, the stem and the roots. Yes, we know the parts of the plant. All right, boys and girls.